When stressor hits, the hypothalamus releases corticotropin releasing hormone, the pituitary sends out adrenocorticotropic hormone, and the adrenal glands pour out adrenoglucocorticoids. This stress response powers quick thinking, muscle readiness, and mood shifts, but also adds up as allostatic load, the wear and tear we accumulate when stress sticks around. All kinds of signals such as riot, inflammatory signals, immune alerts, and cool cells that never stop chatting. Microglia, the brain's resident immune cells, shift their phenotype from a quiet surveillance state to an amyloid, eyes wide open mode when pathogens or troublemakers arrive. They release cytokines and interleukins, pro-inflammatory mediators and anti-inflammatory messages alike, shaping neuronal function and tissue repair. Sometimes the inflammatory curtain goes up too high, dampening neuronal function. Other times, anti-inflammatory signals help calm the scene and support tissue repair and recovery. Meanwhile, the early life chapters matter as well. Early life stress can program how the stress system responds later, influencing progenitor cells and the rate of cell proliferation, and nudging the balance between neurogenesis and its suppression. In mood disorders like depression, a pattern emerges: reduced neurogenesis and altered hippocampal neuroplasticity, sometimes accompanied by a posterior hippocampal volume reduction. The hippocampus becomes a central stage where stress memory and mood mingle, while the amygdala and other regions join the dance. In this story, antidepressant treatment doesn't just lift the mood, it engages a neurotropic flip. Brain-derived neurotropic factor rises along with other growth factors like insulin growth factor, nerve growth factor, epidermal growth factor, and vascular endothelial growth factor. These signals foster neurogenesis, support neuronal function, and help with tissue repair. It's a rescue mission for neurons and their supporting casts. In this landscape, mood disorders don't arise from a single villain. They are a product of glial abnormalities, immune echoes, and shifts in neurotransmitter balance, all interacting with the hippocampus, amygdala, and broader neural networks. The presence of factors like amyloid beta, tau, positive tangles, and even Lewy bodies remind us that neurodegenerative pathways can interact with stress and inflammation, especially when the system is persistently stressed. Beyond the hippocampus, the brain's network involves the central neural pathways that connect the hippocampus to the amygdala and other regions, shaping emotion, learning, and memory. The story also nods to the mind-body connection. Stress can ripple into cardiovascular and immunological domains. We can see why antidepressants work for some people, why some therapies target inflammation, and why supporting neuronal and glial health is essential in the quest with further research. The brain story is intricate, but with each discovery, whether it's boosting BDNF, balancing cytokines, or soothing the HPA axis, we move towards brighter days